Welcome to RAISINS.live, your all-in-one platform for complete statistical analysis. To begin, navigate to the Data Analysis section and select the Descriptive Statistics module. If you do not already have a dataset prepared, RAISINS provides multiple ways to create one easily. The first method is using the Create Data option. Click on Create Data to open the dataset builder. Here, you'll be asked to specify the number of variables and the number of observations you want in your dataset. For example, if you need one variable with 10 observations, enter 1 under variables and 10 under observations. Once these details are provided, RAISINS will automatically generate a module template on the right side. This template acts as your dataset structure. You can manually enter the values one by one into each cell. After entering the data, carefully review the values to ensure everything has been entered correctly. Once satisfied, click on the Download CSV file button to save the dataset to your computer. This downloaded file can then be uploaded directly into the Analysis tab for performing descriptive statistics. Now, let's look at the second method. RAISINS also provides a datasets option within the Descriptive Statistics module. Here, you'll find 3 model datasets readily available. When you click on any of these datasets, they will be downloaded instantly. These model datasets are useful as reference file to help you understand the correct structure and formatting required for analysis. You can use them as a guide while preparing your own dataset. Now, let's move to the third method, which is creating the dataset manually in Microsoft Excel. Start by opening a blank Excel workbook. In the first row, enter the names of your variables. For example, if your study contains 3 variables, create 3 separate columns and enter the variable names such as variable 1, variable 2, variable 3. Next, enter the corresponding observations below each variable column. Each column represents a variable, while each row represents an observation. Continue entering all your values until the dataset is complete. If your dataset contains a grouping variable, which is a qualitative variable, it should always be placed in the first column. This helps maintain proper formatting for analysis. Once all observations have been entered, save the file as either a CSV or an Excel file. You can then return to the Descriptive Statistics module in RAISINS, upload the dataset, select the variables you want to analyze, configure the required settings, and run the analysis. And that's how you create a dataset for descriptive statistics using RAISINS or Excel. Choose the method that works best for you and make your data analysis workflow faster and easier. RAISINS, the future of research begins here.